Oh, am I live? Hi! Hi everyone, what's up? English B joined. I just decided to do a random post-workout live. Maybe do you want to put your legs down?
Why?
Should be a little decent. How's everyone doing? Sorry about my ugly peely nail polish. That shall be fixed soon. Hey everyone. We just had a good workout. He's ignoring me. Does everyone else go through this as well with their partners?
Got a haircut today.
Thanks for taking over my life.
Yeah.
I'm at home. Someone's like, where are you now? I'm at home. All sweaty post-workout. Salar, we're going back to shoot soon. No, okay, so I want to make something very clear. I'm not going to talk only about my movies. I'm not going to say people's name. And what, can you guys not hear me? Of course you can. Say yes if you can hear me.
Turn off your Bluetooth.
My Bluetooth? So I guess no one can hear me. Guys, come on, some nice questions, please. Oh, you can hear me. Thank you.
See?
Thank you, Sonali. Yeah, so we just had like a epic workout and we're super sweaty. You should just be glad that you guys can't smell us and you can only see me. Thank you, Alok. Thank you. So I just wanted to pop over and say a quick hi. Also, do you want to see our Christmas tree? I mean, it would be better if it was like fully dark. But yeah, it makes me so happy. Am I the only one who started Christmas decorations so early? Possibly. Skincare. I really believe in keeping my... Oh yeah, and don't ask me about when I'm getting married. Don't ask me about my heroes only and which movie and to say your name. Please don't ask. Okay. Surely we can be more creative. So yeah, skincare, take off all your makeup, clean your face regularly, find out what... Oh, Ninju! Thank you, Mr. Niranjan Iyengar. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, I just take care of my skin by cleaning it constantly. I'm also like prone to zits, so it's like not like full blown pimples, but you guys get like these tiny like all over. So in order to get rid of that, the only way that works is be careful about what I put in, so I don't like go crazy on the oily food, although I love it. And clean my face, hydrate. Can I have coconut water, by the way, please? Nariyal pani, please, Vaishu. And yeah, that's it. Which reminded me I needed to hydrate. And you need to use like good cream at night, you know, like so that when you're not out in the elements and in pollution and all of that, when you're resting, your skin gets to like hydrate and rest as well. Although I am looking like a bit tired today because I went to the dentist and they really did a number on me. Do you guys have any specific questions? I also like coconut water. Yeah, you know, I've started like coconut water hydrate. The freaking Wi-Fi. Sorry, I didn't mean to cast. Sorry, guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry.
She's not sorry, she's lying.
No. Ooh, I can use a filter when I chat. I did not know that. And it's my face in the background. That's not self-centered at all. I didn't know I could use filters as I chat. So that's how other people do it. I don't like this filter. This doesn't look like me, does it? Thank you, Vaishu. Everyone say hi to Vaishu. Bhag rahe ho. Say my name. Nah, mate. I'm not gonna say names. Okay, I'm gonna go.
What is this obsession with calling out, like saying?
फेस ज्यादा लंबने लगा है. कुछ करो. क्यों करूं? मेरा फेस ऐसे ही है. लंबा ही है. हाँ. Next. Karan Kanchan. Yo, Mr. Ninja. भाग रहे. Yeah, she was running.
Your dojo is mine.
Look at that. That looks so cool. It looks like a
Dojo
weird.
is mine.
Hi, Akka. So sweet. I want to try another filter. Yeah, I like this. Can you share me hair tips? I really swear by oiling my hair. Like, I swear in oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, argan oil. I mean, it depends on you, right? Like, everyone, we have favorite stuff. I personally love even a mixture of oil. Sometimes I'll do sesame and coconut or like argan. And yeah, I really love oiling my hair. I also take care of my scalp because I feel like the shine, the bounce, everything comes from a clean scalp. So I use a coal tar shampoo. Not every day, but I do use one because I like my scalp to be like, you know, like not just like.
What was that?
It was the clean scalp noise. Yeah. Hello. Do I like BTS? I mean, it's not really my style of music, but I totally get like why they're so loved. Also, funny story, I was in an elevator with them in LA in a hotel that they were performing in, and I didn't know who they were, and I was just like, you guys look so cool. And then someone was like, I think that was BTS. And I was like, huh? Like clueless, but they looked awesome in person. Their skin was amazing. I had no idea who they were. Stop being so cute. Aww. When are you coming to Mumbai? I am in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. It's all grey and stuff, but that's my house in Mumbai. I'm on my yoga mat sitting and chatting with you guys. I am in my house in Mumbai. And where's my kitty? I can't see my cat. That's Fiona. Say hi to Fiona. She's a home mannequin. And that's Vaishu hiding behind her. But yeah, I am at home. In my home in Mumbai. My mom is fine, thank you. I'm putting on a little bit of lipstick because I realized I'm looking really dull. And I always want to be glamorous for you guys. You know, people on Instagram Live can hear your voice note. Okay. Yeah, so that's just me chilling at home. What's up, guys? How are you all doing? Are you Tamil la pesnuma? I speak in English because I think then everyone can understand me. Say hi, Clara Bean. Say hi to everyone, Clara. Don't pick her up. Don't trouble her. Please, don't trouble her. He's been troubling her a lot. Like, cute troubling. Okay, I'm now gonna get... So, yeah, the reason I don't change filter... Okay, what shall we go? Why do I even have this filter? I like this.
Jon Snow?
I like this filter.
What's this? Cap filter.
Telugulo em maatladutunanu. No, anduke the reason is I'm not speaking in Tamil or Hindi or Telugu because then everyone can understand me.
I can speak in Tamil.
No, please don't say anything.
Romba.
Romba. Okay, go. He's
Param.
not. Paramma. Go. Stop it. You need hair oil? Who needs? Just go buy hair oil. Are we liking this filter? Nah, it's too like... I like this one because it gives me angel wings, which I like. So yeah, any fun questions? I am just really, I was saying, that was not Cleopatra. I had like this Egyptian headgear thing and I put it on her. Her name's Fiona. And I have a piano called Adiola. If anyone's heard the song, you'll know why. Why are you doing that? Why are you making fun of my face? Come here and show everyone how you make fun of me. You just totally made fun of me. Hi, Shant. So yeah, okay, so you guys have no questions. Okay, so I'm not gonna ramble on then. Gol gappe pani puri. Look, they would just ask. So the other day my sister came over and she brought like this amazing pani puri mix and my mum had made, what is that, aloo stuffing?
Yeah.
How good was it?
Aloo.
Not the aloo, the pani puri.
Yeah, it was really amazing.
I'm sorry, he's really out of it today.
No, I'll
guys.
answer the questions. Give me, what questions do you have?
They're gonna ask some mean questions. There's
Oh, I'm gonna
good
ask
people
them
and
for
bad people in the world. That's what I've realized.
that. I'm the bad guy.
No, you're the lovely. Oh, you're all wet. Hi. Someone saying hi.
Hi. आपको मैं तमिल
शांतनु को बोल उसके पापा जिम में मस्त बॉडी बना रहे हैं रामन हजारे का What? That's crazy.
Yeah, he's ripped.
Yeah, Shantanu's dad really does work out. And he loves his like sneakers as well.
Yeah, Pandit. Oh, I've got glasses. Ray-Ban.
Those are for me. Those are for me.
Yeah, Pandit.
Yes, those are for me. Put them away.
Oh, fuck. They're not sending me stuff anymore. Huh. Nice.
Those are for me. Put them away. I'm on a live. Don't open it.
No, I'm not. I'm putting it inside.
Sorry, guys. Are you seeing comments? I am seeing comments. I just have a... I don't know if it's because I'm getting older, but like bad grammar is just...
She's 20 years old.
No, duh, nature boy. DA nature boy. I'm not going to forget him because you can't spell, which means you're definitely not the one for me. Do you like anime? Yes, I do. Do you wanna...
What?
Which anime do you like?
I like,
So many.
I like so many. I like almost... Naruto is my favorite.
Naruto is his favorite. He talks to me about Naruto all the time. And now I'm like really getting, like, I'm gonna get into it because it seems really interesting. Then he also made me watch Ghost in the Shell and Berserk.
Yeah.
And-
I watched it.
That samurai இல்லம்மா தமிழ்ல எதுக்கு பேசலன்னா எல்லாருக்கும் புரியணும்ல அதனாலதான் நான் பேசல இல்லனா ஏய் ஹலோ ராஜன் பன்சல் get off my chat get off my chat
Don't call out their names.
yeah
Otherwise, they'll keep doing that so that you call out their names again.
I don't like bad vibes on here. If you have bad vibes, go away.
Let me tell you, fuck your bad vibes. No, man.
So, favorite actor in Telugu, I can't pick just one because there's so many. Hello. So, yeah, guys, you know what? It's just so simple. If you don't like someone or something, you don't actually have to like vomit it out into the universe, right? And if you have something good to say, you should spread that because God knows there's a lack of good. Thank you, Sai Kumar. There's a lack of just good energy. Like, everyone's just like, I'm not saying we need to like kiss each other's butts and be like, you're so awesome. Just be chill and just spread good vibes. And if you're going to be all like bad juju, do it in your own quiet, dark corner of the world. Okay? Yeah, I have movies coming up. And... Oh, thank you for all the hearts and love. Please. What? Hi, Nimru 3 movies. Oh, thank you. My boo is wow. Okay. जी नहीं मैं अंग्रेजी पैदा नहीं हुई लेकिन मैं अंग्रेजी इसीलिए बात कर रही हूँ ताकि सबको ये चैट समझ में आए क्योंकि भारत में कई सारे भाषाएं हैं and if I speak in English everyone understands. Got it? Okay, great. Moving on. Hi. No, I'm not gonna say your name. In fact, if I say your name, it means you've done something to upset me. or I'm just saying thank you. Where did I study in Bangalore? I didn't study in Bangalore. My sister did study in Bangalore for a bit. She went to a boarding school there that she loves very much. I never studied in Bangalore. I studied in Chennai and I studied in Mumbai. Hi, thank you guys. And oh, thank you. So many hearts and loves and flames. There's so many people who are requesting to be in my video and I can't. Hi, Roshni from Malaysia. I can't obviously accept all of you. So many hearts. If you're going to use bad language,
No,
you're
I'm
not
gonna
welcome
say
in my
all your
time.
fans are so great. They're so positive and they're so nice, and they tag us in the photos and all.
That
It's so
is
nice.
sweet.
That is really nice.
Yeah, we sit on this couch and then we're like, look at what they made, and
Yeah, and it's so
It's so
nice and
creative.
it's so positive.
yeah.
Like that's the good vibes that you guys want to spread. That's the good thing that you can do is actually.
I mean, the
spread some
ones
love.
saying poopy things are not our peeps anyway.
No, they're just random people.
Yeah, they're just not our peeps.
They're not
Even
real people.
energetically.
They're not real people. Simple as that.
Energetically, they're not happy people. That's what it is. And we all got. Oh, someone sent me letters and hearts, and it looks like love letters. Can you say hi? Andriki namaskaram. Love from Poland. Oh, hi from Poland. And you're. Okay, I have so many wonderful people I would love to just have a one-on-one, you know. I love your voice. Thank you. I can't accept your request. Wait, I want to change the filter and see my hair color change. No, that looks weird, doesn't it? No, I don't know if I like that. Maybe. Oh, damn it. Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me now? I just gave such a deep and profound answer. Can you hear me now? 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 Say yes if you can hear me. No, my voice went away. Why, Shantanu? Why did my voice go away? I changed filters and my voice went away. Can you hear me now? Okay, great. I guess that filter, as cute as it is, won't let me. So yeah, I was saying something. Again, it's not. Shantanu, do you know why this is not working?
What happened?
Okay, can you guys hear me? Okay. Because then I start talking and someone's like, I can't hear you. Yeah, so I was just saying, for me, there's no particular dream project, but I feel like I get really excited when I get offered roles of women who have more layers and who are a bit more complicated. And sometimes it like pretends to be that way, but it's not really. I just want to see women like us, you know, who speak like us and who think like us. I think that's good. Sing a song. Which song should I sing? Please don't say Tamil la pes. Ma, I can speak in Tamil ya Hindi, ledante Telugu, kani, lekin. But I'm speaking in English, so everybody understands. So I'm sorry if that offends anybody, but it's just for everyone to understand. Someone sent me many cups of coffee, but I don't drink coffee. I can't drink coffee. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Shri. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I can't drink coffee. I get like the worst palpitations ever. Can I speak Arabic? No, but I just love the sound of Arabic and French. It's just the same kind of tonality, which is so different to the way we speak. So I find it fascinating, but no. What? Sing Roar by Katy Perry. I don't know about that. No hate, but the only song of hers that I kind of liked was the one with Kanye. Because it didn't sound like her. I was like, who's this new Swedish pop singer? And then it was like Katy Perry. What is that song called? Does anyone know the name of the song with Katy Perry and Kanye? I've forgotten it. I'm not going to say names, guys. Love from Dubai. I was just in Dubai. In fact, that was my first out of India travel. When was it? Like two months ago? And it was amazing. I did a lot of shopping. Okay, no, that's not the song. Malay language, like Malaysian, I don't know. Malay, I don't know at all actually. I don't speak Malay at all. I don't even understand it. But I've been to Malaysia and the food was so amazing. Your Telugu favorite dish? Chapal pulsu, gongura mamsam. And there's this sweet and I never remember the name. Pootarekulu. Is that what it's called? It's like paper. It's so good. It's a sweet though. I also like biryani a lot. But I love also pappu, like tomato pappu. That's my favorite. Like especially in the shooting. Like when they make it at shoot. There's just something really special about that pappu. Speak Assamese little bit. Ki hal, ki khabar. That's all I know. Come speak Assamese.
Nah.
Someone is like, speak Assamese. Nah is Hindi also. Oh, thank you. Hi, Haiwa. Favorite Malayalam actor? Gosh, I can't pick one. Really can't. But I do watch Malayalam movies. Oh, my director Gopi is here. When am I singing full mass song? Are you making me sing full mass song? Full mass song. Appudu, I will sing full mass song. I would love to sing a full, proper mass song. And Marathi, I can't actually speak fluent Marathi. I understand it. I know like Kitti Vazle, all those things, Kai Karaitsa, just simple stuff. Oh, thank you so much, Liv. Hello. Favorite Tamil song? Aragiya Tamil Magarival. I love that song. Oh, thank you. I just love that song. I love the video also on that sky set and you know how it looks so amazing. I love that song. I just love that song. My inspiration. They're just different things that inspire me. I can't particularly say there's one person, no. Lots of different people inspire me. Sometimes in really unexpected ways, you know. I look at someone and I go, wow, I didn't know you could look at life that way or react that way or it inspires you to change and grow, you know. I am working in Bollywood. I have a Hindi show coming out soon. These freckles are in the filter. But yes, I also do have freckles. That is my... Can you guys hear me? He likes Naruto. Someone's asking, why have I turned into a lion? What the hell just happened? That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna keep this weird. Why are you in the dark? I'm not in the dark. It's the filter. But I don't like harsh lighting. Current obsession food. Okay, so I got these things called beef tomatoes because they're huge, fat, big tomatoes. And I just have those with burrata or mozzarella, like more than I should. You know? Singing or dancing? If I had to pick, can you go watch this somewhere else? If I had to pick, I would pick singing first, without a doubt. Yes, Gopi and I are starting a movie and I'm so excited. We're gonna be starting soon and we'll keep you guys posted on when it's starting and what we're doing. Am I married? No, I'm not married. Moving on.
Question is,
I don't know why they care. Like, they care more than we care. So, waiting for Salah. Yeah, I'm so excited about Salah. And I think you guys would love it. No, that's what I'm trying, guys. I was just trying. Oh, there I am. No filter, Shruti. There I am. That's me without a filter. And yeah, someone was saying about freckles. So I do have freckles, but they're not that much. And you know what? I don't know if it's like in India, they're like, what is that? And I used to be like really like, oh, because I developed freckles much later. Someone spelled Tamil Pesanga in Tamil with the wrong spelling. Super ma. So where are you right now? I'm on my couch with my plug point. On my couch, on my grey couch. So yeah. So I used to feel like really weirded out about my freckles because I never had them before. People would be like, oh, Are, kya, what's on your face? But now I own them. हिंदी में बात करूँगी एक separate live में क्योंकि I want everybody to understand. Salad looks so cute. Salad? I'm a salad? Or the salad? Oh, okay, I don't know. Hello, Anonymous. The Anonymous. Where's my Pune Clara? Clara! Claru! She's ignoring me. Claru ma! Claru papa! No, she's ignoring me. Yeah, can you hear her? Come here, Claru. Everyone wants to say hi to you. Hi, Chulle. Hi, Chulle. Claru. Say hi, Clars Bars. Say hi. Claru, say hi. Say hi. Hi, Sulle. Okay, she's just acting very pricey. She's acting very pricey. Come here, Claru. Inga va.
Inga va.
She's acting very pricey. Sorry, guys. Come here, Clars. Do you know Clars gets requests for like commercials and I can't get her to act. She won't act. She's like, this is not my job. I'm not interested. I'm a professional cute cat. That's her job. Haryanvi, I don't speak. Hi. Clarzu. I want to be your Claru. Nobody can be my Claru. Only my Claru is my Claru. The best kitty in the whole world. Clarama, say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say boop. Boop and hi. There, she's giving you guys some attention. Okay, I'm gonna go in 5 minutes. Assamese? Ki hol, ki khabar? Yeah. Can you show me the God photo in my house? Sure. I'll show you the God photo in my house. That is my God photo in my house. It's evening, so the puja room is closed. These are the evil. Speak no evil, say no evil, see no evil. That's Mother Mary. That's Lord Murugan. That is our little section of Holiness. Yeah. I wouldn't say, I mean, I'm religious, but I'm definitely more spiritual. Oh, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go now. You guys are just like saying, say my name, say my name. I am in my home. Open hair, thank you. Akka, somebody says. Are you having noodle?
Yeah.
Which flavor?
I don't know. You wanna have?
मुझे tom yum चाहिए. I want tom yum. Please. Who loves tom yum noodles? My dad, Appa, is fine. He's absolutely fine. Recovered so well and is back to work. And he's happiest when he's working, so he's doing really good. Oh, thank you. Oh, thanks. I look cool. Oh god, I had a dental procedure today. And my mouth was like in so much pain, I can't even explain. It's just what, someone's like sing Junction Law. Yeah. Yeah, tom yum only, Gopi. Yeah, tom yum noodles. Tom yum, like the flavor. I don't want to do a noodle branding. When is your marriage? When is your marriage, Prashant Reddy? First you tell me. Huh? Tom yum noodles, my favorite.
What's up with marriage?
Nom. They're the very popular nom. Can you give me my nom?
Oh, no. Oh. Are you saying nom? It's not
This
that
is no.
easy.
He's my rude nom, but he's brought me lots of luck. He doesn't mean to be so rude. Say sorry. I'm sorry. We should name him, no? What should we name him?
Okay.
Do you guys have a suggestion for a name? I'm going to cover his impolite hand. What should we name him? Pinkerton. Mr. Pinkerton. Should we call him Mr. Pinkerton? I've never named him. He's just been the rude gnome.
Mhm.
That's more description of his personality. Someone come up with a name for my gnome.
Sir Chadwick the Third.
No, he has to be something Pinkerton. Because he is pink. So, something Pinkerton. Chadwick Pinkerton?
Yeah, Chadwick Pinkerton.
This is Chadwick Pinkerton. Do we like that name? Golu, someone has said. Pinkujan. No, he's not. He's definitely not an Indian guy. Pink Tom. Pinkerton, we've already got. Give me your first name. Thomas Pinkerton or Chadwick Pinkerton?
Philip Pinkerton.
Philip Pinkerton. Are we feeling Philip Pinkerton? Philip Pinkerton, any takers? Any takers? Pinkerton. Pookie. No, we're not going to call him Pookie. Can I say hello to Shantanu Dada? Shantanu Dada is not wearing a shirt.
Hi.
Gulabo. No, we're gonna call him. He's too like foreign to call him Gulabo. Or maybe he's not, if you actually look. He could be one of us. Hasan Pinkachan. Okay, I was thinking Sir something Pinkerton. I like Pinkerton. But what's my favorite food? Tamil food, then Japanese food. Girl, drop your skincare routine, please. Actually, I have something exciting in skin coming up for you guys. It's a secret. But Mr. Pinkune. So his surname is Pinkerton. Sir Dabbu Pinkerton. I like Dabbu Pinkerton. It's so random. Should we call him Dabbu Pinkerton? Sir Dabbu Pinkerton. I think we have a Hi from Sweden. Oh my god, I can't wait to visit. I just went in transit through Stockholm, I think. I don't remember. And I was like, I landed in Sweden and then I started sharing all this Meshuggah music because I was like, I'm in your town. Yeah, whoever suggested Dabbu Pinkerton it is. So Dabbu Pinkerton, thank you for your suggestion. Yeah. Someone's asked me something in Assamese, which I'm not able to understand.
What does it say?
I'm not going to read it out. Yeah, thank you for the incoming suggestions, but we've landed on Sir Dabbu Pinkerton. Love you from Kerala. I love you guys too, and I love Kerala. God made you in a big lockdown. What? I'm at home, so I'm not wearing a mask. I'm at home, double vaccinated, so is everyone around me. But yes, when we step out, even when I step out to like my elevator, like outside to like get something or throw out the trash, I wear my mask. Because Gullu Pinkerton. How old am I? Just Google it, mate. Just Google it. Hi, ma'am. Big fan. Thank you. Love from Manipur. Hi. Yeah, that was fun. I've had that gnome forever. I can't even remember how long. Do you know what? I think I bought him around right after the release. Around the release of Luck. So he's 12 years old. Take care, my dear lovely Didi. How sweet. I will. He likes Naruto. Saw your t-shirt on the reel. I got him that Naruto t-shirt because Shantanu loves Naruto. And he told me the whole story and the backstory and why he is the way he is. And it seems really fascinating, so I'm going to get into it. Are you an army? Yes, I'm an army of me. If anyone's heard the Björk song. I just said Björk and someone's asking me about BTS again. Do you work in Marathi movies? No, never done a Marathi movie. Someone's saying, कैसे हो आप? मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? Oh, thank you. Tamil konjam. These questions are so like, what have you done today? Today was actually relaxed. So my shoot starts soon. I'm going to start shooting like in a couple of days. And then I've actually had maybe 2-3 days of like just being a bit chill. So I've had the chance to spend time with my family and with my friends, which has been amazing. And I've been watching nonsense like Selling Sunset. Today, I basically had a massive dental appointment. It's one of those things that just takes over your whole day. And then my face hurt so bad, I went to sleep for some time on my couch. Then I woke up and worked out. And now I'm talking to you. Okay. Thank you. Someone said, Purdy ass. I love your dance. I watched a South movie in Hindi dub. Yeah, it's so amazing. No, I don't play PUBG. It's just so amazing how it spread through dubbing. And then now we just go direct. Can you send some Froyo for dental pain? I don't think you should be having frozen stuff if you have dental pain because it'll probably be bad. I wish one day to meet you. Yeah, hopefully. I'm not going to say names. I want to be a model, but how is it possible? I'm not very well versed, but I think it's about being yourself, because now it's come to a time where there isn't a particular template or way that this is the exact way to be for a model. And I think that's so fantastic, You have all shapes, size, colors, textures, it's beautiful. I think you should just be yourself and work your strengths. That's the only advice I have, really. And of course, we all need to go to the right place or the right agency or meet the right people. Most eligible bachelor movie. No, I haven't seen it.
How do you?
What series do you watch? How many years Tamanna and you are friends? So I met Tamanna the start. It must be about 11 years now. Yeah. How good am I at heavy metal growling? They're asking.
Do it.
I mean, I can do the lower one, like the Batman, No, I can't now. You put me on the spot. I do. I've actually got a song coming up which has a growling layer, which I'm so excited about. But then I used to love Danny for that, up there. But I don't want to freak everyone out. But I will do a special growling story one day. I wasn't ready. Shantanu does the squeal. Do you want to do the pig squeal? Please do it.
Just eat.
Oh yeah. It's hard when you just eat to growl. Don't do it. Don't do it if you've just eaten. How is your health? It's good, thank you. I hope you all are still staying safe. Guys, Corona isn't over. The pandemic isn't over. So please keep staying safe. My dad is fine, thank you. Who's my first crush?
Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee. I was just obsessed with Bruce Lee. I saw Enter the Dragon. I just kept on watching it. I felt so madly. Do oil pulling for your dental health. I do oil pulling. So, Bruce Lee, I saw him in Enter the Dragon. And it's that first shot where he crosses where the traffic is instead of when it's empty. And then in the end, when he's all bare chested with those blood cuts on him, I was a little girl and I didn't understand what I was feeling, but it was love. It was true love. I still love Bruce Lee, but when I was young, I was just two people who fascinated me no end was Bruce Lee and then Michael Jackson and then He-Man, somewhere in the middle of all that. My crush for now, it's been for a long time, is Benicio del Toro and Lenny Kravitz. Who's my third? Oh, Adam Driver. Yeah. They're all these. Do I speak French? No, I don't speak French. But I can understand a little bit here and there, surprisingly. So yeah, I mean, Adam Driver, Lenny Kravitz, Benicio del Toro, they're all weird and nice. They're not weird. Sorry, that's the wrong word. They're just different. They just don't, give a shit. They're just masters of the universe. Yeah. He-Man, He-Man, I had all the toys and I had Castle Grayskull and I also really liked, wait, 1 second. Where's my phone charger, babe? Do you have any idea? My phone charger kahan hai?
There only.
No, it's not. So yeah. Oh, these noodles are so hot. Say something in Assamese. How do I say this noodle is tasty? ये नूडल तो बहुत बाल खा बोले. Sure. I haven't decided. That's the truth. And the sand. Someone has just said, and the sand. That is so deep. Can you say hi to Karnataka? Hi to the entire state. It's not Maggie. It's another brand. It's so hot. My favorite singer of all time, I cannot say. There are too many. There are too many singers for me to be this is my favorite singer. Have I heard of Wolf Mother? Do you know Wolf Mother?
Yeah.
I haven't heard of Wolf Mother.
You haven't?
I'm sure if I saw it, I'd know. I feel like I have a Wolf Mother. You're so bad at
That
singing.
song.
Do you guys have friends who just say that song and they sing it completely out of key and you just don't know which song it is?
I'm pretty sure I've heard Wolf Mother.
Sorry, that was rude. I have heard Wolf Mother.
Joker and the Thief?
Yeah.
That's Wolf Mother.
I'm not a Joker and a thief. That one. Oh no, that's another song. Na na. Oh, that's Season of the Witch. Did you guys see me do that? That is Wolf Mother. What were you playing? Oh yeah. Of course I know Wolf Mother. I'm sorry. Yeah, I do know. I do know Wolf Mother. Sorry, I just forgot. I was like, that sounds familiar. I was like, I have them on my...
Wolf Father. God, you're a cat.
Will you give that? So sad that Redstone got cancelled. I know, right? Like, I therefore thought we'd be in on season 2. But hey, happens. My sister's in Bombay, but she's with my mum currently. You love my voice. Thank you. Come to Lucknow. I was. For the whole shoot of Ben Ogi Teri, I was in Lucknow and the food was amazing. Love from Assam. Thank you. Yes. 10 बजे. हाँ, bye. Not 10 बजे. What time is Irfan coming?
It's coming at 10, but
Okay.
I might have to leave at 10:30.
Okay. When you will marry? Sushant, I don't know. I don't care. You should stop caring too. I'm at home. My Deen Abdullah, I'm at home. I love you. Thank you. உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் தெரியுமா? Of course தமிழ் தெரியும். What a silly question. But இங்க தமிழ்ல பேசினா பின்ன எல்லாருக்கும் புரியாதுல்ல. Only those of us from Tamil Nadu will understand. கொஞ்சம் please understand. Thank you. Love from Vijayawada. Hi. Hi. Love from Indonesia. Hi. My Alagi. Isn't Alagi spelling different? Please show tattoo. My cabbage, which is a rose, but actually a cabbage. You like the way I dress up? Thank you. Love from Kolkata. Hi. Okay.
Kolkata kitty?
She's not Kolkata kitty. She's Mumbai kitty. She's Andheri West kitty.
She's a Mumbai meow.
Love from Mars. Cool. You're so cool. Love from Meerut. Okay. Shantanu Dada ki kare ashe bao. Love from Assam. What are you doing, Shantanu Dada? Let's see what he's asking. He is feeding Clara
My pants.
his pants. My next film, Google it. It's all on Google. हिंदी लैंग्वेज स्पीक प्लीज. देखिए अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगी तो सबको समझ में नहीं आएगा फॉर द 100th टाइम. அப்பா எப்படி இருக்காங்க? He's doing fine. Thank you for asking. Oh, thank you. Adrushta. What a cool name. Love from Jamaica with the K. Suspicious. Love from Jupiter. Oh, I love interplanetary wishes. Who's going to wish me from Saturn? Someone wish me from Saturn. I've got Mars and Jupiter. From the moon. Someone wish me from the moon. Love from Chennai. Epic. Love from Antarctica. Lies. No, lies. I don't believe you. What is a plan to step out from Omicron? There is no plan. Do you guys not realize that we have no plan? This virus owns us and we just have to be really careful and not take things for granted. There's no point complaining because it is what it is. So you just have to be careful. If there's any of you who are not vaccinated, please go get vaccinated, like for real. I am from India. Well, so am I. Love from the solar system. Pah. Too much. Too much. AB from Andheri. You are definitely from another planet, AB. Love from Hyderabad. Love it. Looking hearts and radiant heart. Heart and radiant. Are you like Bengali? Like, do I like Bengalis? I love everyone. Love from Alpha Centauri. Wow. Deep, deep. I love everyone. Till they don't behave well. And then it doesn't matter where you're from. Then I'm just like, bye. Do you get me? Lots of love from my heart. Oh, that's sweet. That's sweet. Oh, sweet. Hi, Shruti. Shurti. Wrong spelling. Shurti. My name is always spelled wrong. My surname, even more so. Sometimes in our own office. That's the best part. Sometimes from my own team because everyone's confused about the double A, double S. Lovely attitude. Oh, thank you. Hi. Who is Shantanu? Shantanu is my best friend in the whole universe. He's also an extremely talented artist and he's very funny. That is Shantanu. He's super talented, super fun. You said you had to go in I know I said I had to go in 5 minutes. You know why? Because the questions were getting boring now. They're getting interesting. I thought I'll spend some time. If you want me to go, I'll go. No problem. Favorite language? I don't have a favorite language. Again, they've started, please say my name. Then I'll therefore go. Bold voice like Queen. I've always just had a really booming voice, even when I was a kid, you know. How are you? You know, I just love questions that are so simple like, how are you? I'm very fine. Very well. I'm very fine, thank you. I'm very well. And I hope all of you are well. And I think it's like so important just to ask the people around us, hey, 1 second. How are you? Like, really, how are you? Not, how are you? How are you fine? No, like, how are you? Like, are you good? You feeling good here? Feeling good here? You know? So important to do that. Don't mean to be all like chakras and crystals and good vibes. But yeah, I mean, you know, it's good to ask each other. Sometimes even just like your mom at home, where you just take it for granted that she's okay and taking care of you. Just say, hey, mom, are you okay? Or like to your best friends or your husband or your kids. Like, how are you? How do you feel? Although kids kind of just come and tell you, right? They're just like, I had a bad day. You know, like they're so honest. And I think we need to, Hindi aati hai yaar mujhe. Oh. So you need to be like, really like children. I think if we can be like children with each other, that would be really amazing. And then I saw my dream more days ago. My literally have no. Sounds like SpongeBob? I sound like SpongeBob? Do I? Doubtful. Hi. Ma'am, you're not responding. No, if you're going to say my name, say my name. I'm not going to say it, darling. Sorry. I love fun questions. Surely. Thank you. Mr. Unlucky Fellow, you should change your name. That's not a nice name. Don't call yourself unlucky. Sing Devar Kaladi Manne. Oh, it's so long. And yeah, everyone's asked me to sing a song, then it just becomes like a singing routine. Do you know what I mean? And it's like, oh, human jukebox. Someone sent me strawberries. I like that. I love strawberries. Fling or relationship? Obviously relationship. Flings are fine when you're like young and you're like experimenting with who you are. But I think being committed and loyal and faithful and like enjoying doing it is so beautiful. And if you don't feel like it, sure, leave. But while you're in it, to be in that relationship and, you know, do well for yourself and your partner is beautiful. I love your talking style. Thank you. Do I like Blackpink? I haven't heard their stuff, to be honest. Where are the metal questions? Do you love aviation? I used to play Flight Simulator. Does that count? I don't know. I have a show coming out in Hindi soon. So, love from your house. Meaning, do you love my house? Oh, thank you. That is a nice strawberry, I know. Do I like, oh my god, did you say Japanese metal? I was literally spending the entire day watching baby metal videos. Like, I'm so fascinated. And Karan Kanchan, who I work with, showed me like this Bollywood version of one of their songs, and I just keep listening to it. I just think they're so, my brain can just not process baby metal. My favorite metal band of all time is Meshuggah. And then I love Lamb of God as well. The third one, it keeps alternating. But yeah. I love Lamb of God. I love the guitar player. But I just really love the drummer from Lamb of God, Chris Adler. Like, I just have real love in my heart for him. Like, a lot of love. You're a fab actor. Thank you. S. Someone's just said S. Pink Floyd, of course. I grew up listening to Pink Floyd because of my mum. And The Wall, like, is her favorite album. I love Dark Side of the Moon. I love Pink Floyd. I mean, they're the masters of creating worlds, soundscapes. Just beautiful. Please come to Assam. Yes, soon. I will come to Assam very, very soon. Yeah, my album, it's not an album, I think it's more like singles. They're coming out soon, I promise. I've been working really hard on it. And this year just became about shooting, and I've been shooting so much, really, like non-stop pretty much. And so I just, I needed that time to write it and do it properly. I miss playing live though. Like, I can't wait to get back to playing live. I need to play live. I'm not doing anything in Tamil right now. Waiting for the right thing, Please add me in a call. Nah, mate. Sorry. I'm back, Shruti, someone says. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go now really in 5 minutes. My noodles are getting cold. My favorite drama, I said, is I love Flo Monnier from Cryptopsy. I love Chris Adler from Lamb of God. I love Danny Carey from Tool. These are like my favorite drummers. Who's my favorite person in the world? Okay, I don't want this to come out the wrong way, but I am my favorite person in the whole world. I love myself. And I've started doing that, and it makes me love everyone around me in the right way. So not like, I'm the best person, but I have to be my favorite person. When will you come into politics? Not for me. How are you, Miss Universe? Yeah, not to be like, I'm my favorite. But you know what I mean. My favorite place to visit, London, always. Have you watched Peaky Blinders? Who are you talking to? I love Peaky Blinders. Love so much. I don't want to keep singing on the live. See, like these requests are coming. Favorite artist. MC Escher, Frida Kahlo, Salvador Dali. Yeah. And wink. Someone winked. I can't wink. Guys, I can't wink properly. See? This side, impossible. It's bad, isn't it? I've been trying my whole career. If I smile, maybe a bit, but it's pretty bad. and hearts. Yeah, I'm really bad at winking. It's weird, I just can't wink. Yeah, I love Peaky Blinders too. It's just such an amazing show. It's so amazing, right? It just drags you into this world. And favorite song, I don't know, but it's always been something by the Beatles. Which one keeps changing? For the longest time, it was Here Comes the Sun. And then recently, I'm like, oh my god, Eleanor Rigby is possibly one of the best songs. Like, the best songs ever. Do you know what I mean? Someone sent me middle fingers, and my trainer Irfan today just showed me an article that says it's a criminal offense now to show the middle finger. Shantanu, someone's calling for you. He's off doing his own thing. Someone's like, we are Peaky Blinders. Yeah. I read up on them as well. Like, did they actually, like, fact versus fiction? Like, did they actually keep blades in their caps? And it's just, yeah. It just like I have this habit of going like deep into things. Recently, I've deep dived into like the entire history from the beginning to end of Michael Jackson, and both sides really. I just love his music so much, and and I just wanted to like reconnect to that, and like before the confusing stuff. Someone's like, Game of Thrones or Peaky Blinders? Dude, there's no question, Peaky Blinders. Because Game of Thrones, first of all, is just not that. It's a big production, there's a lot going on, but it's not like layered and nuanced, like emotionally nuanced. Do you know what I mean? Like in the way that Peaky Blinders is, like how complicated and layered the characters are. And I loved Game of Thrones, but like, what did they do by the end of it, right? Like, it just felt like so badly written and so silly. And I lost it when, Arya just killed the Night King with that, like, Chotu knife of hers. How was it growing up in the 90s? It was so amazing because we were, like, seeing technology change so fast. It was just amazing. Really amazing. I had, like, cassettes and Walkman, Discman, tiny iPod, and then like VHS like tapes to like LDs to like DVDs. It was just amazing. A dialogue from The Dark Knight. Where are the drugs? Do you remember that part where Batman's like flies down after he calls all the bats in with his little sonar machine? It was so. I still love that movie so bad. Good. I mean, I love it so good. I'm from Bangladesh. I love you. Thank you. Dexter. Yeah. I liked Dexter, but I got over it like really quick. You sing English songs amazingly. Thank you. I love The Crown. In Hindi, I really loved Patal Lok a lot. Staying indoors, outdoors. I like both, but invariably I prefer indoors. What about Breaking Bad? Yeah, totally. Okay, Harry Potter, I never got into. I've got to admit. Like, I'm more of a Lord of the Rings girl. I also felt like when I was in school, like, I really prided myself on being different. Like, I like different things. And then everyone was like, Harry Potter, like, all the time. And I was like, I'm not going to read Harry Potter. I know it sounds silly. And then later on, like, GTA 5, Shantanu plays GTA. But I just never got into it after that. I think I missed the bus with Harry Potter, to be honest with you. And the train and the plane, clearly, because everyone loves it. Concert in Jaipur soon. Sure, dude. Appa கேட்டேன்னு சொல்லுங்க. I will definitely tell Appa. Well, guys, Queen's Gambit, yeah, I loved that as well. It was good. Someone's like, on the plane. What does that mean? Is that a show on the plane? We've been watching Invasion on Apple Plus or whatever. And The Shrink Next Door, which just got too depressing for me to handle, so I stopped. But I watched Dave. You guys have to watch Dave. What is Dave on Hotstar? It's so good. It's about the rapper Lil Dicky. It's so good. I love it. So watch Dave for sure. That's my suggestion. At first I was like, nah. And then I'm just like, yeah. Gone Girl. Yeah, I read the book first for Gone Girl, and it was... I didn't know that they were going to make it into a movie. I was like, oh my god, I have to play this part. I love this book. And then, yeah. Lil Dicky. Yeah, Nermy. Who's Dave? Lil Dicky. Yeah, watch it, Num. Hi, I'm Dave. Who's Dave? Not Dave, like not like Dave. 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 Okay. Hi, Indonesia. From Indonesia, you mean? Okay. Dave. Yeah, Nam. Dave. Have you seen it? My friend Nam is online. Do you like Squid Game? Never got into it. I tried and I just couldn't like get into it. Again, I think it's like the Harry Potter thing where everyone's like, Squid Game. I was like, okay, let me wait and see if I like it. Same thing happened with Breaking Bad, and then I saw it years later and I was like, this is amazing. So maybe I'll check out Squid Games later. Right now I'm just a bit like, you know what I mean? Your smile, very nice. Thank you. Someone's like, I am Afghanistan. And I genuinely doubt that. What about Drishyam too? I don't know. Shantanu there, he's upstairs chilling. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I hope you are well. Love from Mars. I'm running out of planets. Okay, well, thank you for your lovely questions. It was so nice chatting with you guys after so long. I just felt like, I kind of have a chill evening. I'm going to chat with you guys. And death, yeah. And it was so nice speaking with you about fun stuff. And some not fun stuff, but that's okay. And love from Venus, you mean? Someone's like, Venua. You are beautiful, thank you. So, you guys, you are beautiful. And have a lovely rest of your evening or day or morning or afternoon, wherever you are. And be good to each other. And don't be a shithead. Be positive, but not COVID positive. So wear your mask and take care. Bye.